Cheers.
So good day and greetings. Welcome to Thursday, July the 3rd, 2025. Checked in out here at Green Lakes State Park. This is my site, Site 88. Speedy's over there next door to me. They're not here yet. I got the fire pit, got the picnic table, the Nissan Frontier. It's a really nice site. I've been on this site before. We were here last year. I set up on this site. But you know what happens before I get set up here? Here's to you, here's to me, the best of friends we shall always be, and if for some reason you should disagree, forget you, here's to me. Cheers. All right, let's get this party started. I think I'm gonna set up over right in this spot right here. Seems to be pretty flat, pretty level. I think last time I was here, I set up over there because Speedy's mom set up her camper right here. But she's got her own site on the other side of Speedy's site. So I think I'm gonna set up right over here this time. Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, the moment you've been waiting for. There he is, Speedy and Thumper. Cheers! You're late. You're late this time. And there's Speedy's mom, but she doesn't like being on video, so we won't put her on video right now, will we? Nope, not at all. Okay, there we go, all set up, ready to camp. Got the fire pit, I probably won't use that. I got a picnic table, might use that. Got the 99 Schwinn Pro Stock 3 cruiser. Got the Gazelle tent set up just like the other day. Got the air mattress on the inside. Brought the Fender Hellcat acoustic git fiddle. Got my chair with a frosty barley pop. These sites don't have power. This is a non-electric site. And to keep things charged, I'm going to try something out for this weekend, and if it works out, I'm going to move on in this direction. Speedy loaned me a marine battery here, deep cycle battery. This came off his camper. He replaced his batteries with lithium batteries. So I got that hooked up. Got a solar panel. I can't think of the wattage right now. And then I've got this. This is why I use in the work truck to. It's got 2 USBs and a 12-volt plug so that I can charge up cameras and phones and all that fun stuff. So all set up, ready to have a good old time. There's some heavy rain to the south of here. Heard there's a tornado warning down in Ithaca, possibly one already hit. Hopefully everybody's okay down there. But the weather's pretty good here. Got blue skies. Some clouds over there. Speedy's setting up his camp over there. His mom's on the other side. I backed her camper in for because I'm such a nice guy. And yeah, been looking forward to this for quite a while. Oh, good day and greetings and welcome to Friday, July the 4th, 2025. It's around 8 a.m. in the morning. Slept in a little bit today, which is good. Haven't been able to sleep in much lately. Just taking a quick little walk here down the path behind the campsite. And then I gotta go and get ready for the day. Get a little caffeine flowing and then get the day going. I'm a poet and didn't even know it. Or maybe I did, who knows. It's a beautiful morning and it's a great day to be alive. Speedy's over here playing with his meat. Good morning, Speedy.
Morning.
How you doing?
Good.
What you playing with?
My meter.
Nice.
Fucker battery's probably not charged. Son of a bitch.
That battery's working pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think. And got the battery over here. Solar panel in the sunshine. Got the official sign for my tent. I don't know how these things happen. I just don't. They just kind of happen. You know. I mean, sometimes these things just happen, you know? You go for a walk and your chair ends up in a tree. Can't explain it. Just happens. And sometimes when things happen, they mysteriously get decorated. That'll look better in the dark. Maybe I'll revisit it then, or maybe I won't. Hey, Speedy. How does stuff like this happen?
Levitation. Aliens?
Levitation aliens, and especially when it like goes up and all of a sudden it's like mysteriously decorated. It's like glowing and stuff. That's awesome. Yeah, Mickey Mouse is here. That's beautiful. Outstanding.
I don't know. There's one over there and that campsite over that side.
I just looked at that one.
Yeah. Any better?
Oh, it's even better than that one. You should go check it out. It's classic. Got the fire ripping. And it's almost quiet time. We're getting there. It's after 9:30, not sure the exact time. It's been a really good day. There's the tent. There's the fire. Speedy's putting stuff away inside the camper. I just stepped on a squeaky toy. There's the camper all up. Speedy! What you doing? He's putting clothespins on his nipples. Enough said. I'm making a video and watching you put clothespins on your nipples.
Cool.
Ooh, look at this guy. He's got the high beams on, the brights.
Awesome, dude.
That's polite.
Then we run down dumpster garbage.
Oh, nice.
Big beer.
Sweet.
This on the street.
I'll venture with you. All right, it's 9:40 in the p.m. 62 degrees Fahrenheit. Out here at Green Lake State Park. It's a beautiful evening, just about perfect. Not a cloud in the sky. Yeah, that's awesome. Sounds kind of like Ranger Richard. Yeah, it is. It's Ranger Richard. How you doing?
Come on, focus, grasshopper.
I cheered him. Speedy's taking a picture of the chairs. We can't figure out how these...
Mother's chair, for some reason, it's hovering above the camper.
Yeah, for some reason his mom's chairs always end up hovering up in the air at some point in the evening or some point during camping. Can't figure that out. How does that happen? It's like an unsolved mystery. I can't talk. It's an unsolved mystery or something.
Try to get you one inside the camper. Oh, focus. Focus, grasshopper.
Focus, grasshopper. Grasshopper must focus. You get a better shot if you go on the other side of the camper.
Well, yeah, but I wanted to get a shot of my camper.
Gotcha. All right, there. All right, here's Speedy throwing some garbage away. That should go viral pretty quickly.
But hang on to the beer without spilling it.
Yeah, he hung on to the beer without spilling it in that transaction.
You don't want to watch me go here.
No, that's not necessary. This is the bathroom house. Whew, it's been a beautiful day. It's been a good day. It's been awesome. Camping is awesome. Feels like a Saturday. I keep thinking that tomorrow's going to be Sunday, but it's not. I don't know why. My whole, bestest camping shirt of the world right there, once again. My days just seem to blend together even when I'm on vacation. Time goes by way too fast. Feel better now?
Way later.
Speedy feels much better now. Says he feels a little bit lighter. Probably lost about 32 ounces.
Evening.
It just started.
Oh,
Whoa.
did it?
Wow. Stop recording. That's awesome. That's okay. I've got insurance. Yeah. So I just discovered something about this camera. That I have the voice activation activated. That's kind of funny. Didn't realize it. That's pretty cool. All right, like right now, stop recording.
Where are you?
Right here.
Oh, there it is.
That's awesome. We'll blame it all on the aliens.
Yes.
Aliens came down overnight and put chairs up in the trees. Happens every time we go camping here. It's like I can't explain it. I'll see you in the morning. Good night, Speedy.
Good night, Speedy.
Here we go.
Cheers.
See you Saturday. I'm out of beer.
You still say cheers. You want a beer?
Oh, cheers. No, I'm good.
See you tomorrow.
Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let them bed bugs bite. That's beautiful. That is outstanding. Incredible. Caffeine is what I need. Oh yeah. Look, it's just me and my shadow. See if I can do this one-handed. Probably not. Oh yeah. Sweet. All right, so good day and greetings and welcome to Saturday, July the 5th, 2025. It is 10 after 8 in the morning. I didn't even check the temperature, but is that really important? Anyway, just went down and took a shower, and it really wasn't very good, to be honest with you. Well, according to this, it's 56 degrees right at this present moment. Higher temperatures expected today. Yeah, it's supposed to get warm this weekend. It's supposed to be really hot tomorrow. But yeah, I went down, took a shower, and it's hit or miss with the showers here. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're decent. Sometimes you get all cold water, sometimes you get all hot water. And this morning I just got a very thin stream of hot water that was borderline scorching. But got in and out, got cleaned up what I need to get cleaned up, and back here up the campsite. Gonna get myself moving here. I think I'm gonna go for a quick bike ride. I've got to make a run to the store, get some ice and some more frosty barley pops, because they seem to be going down a little bit quicker than usual this weekend. But you know, these things happen. All right, it's 9:15. Helped Speedy's mom take her chairs out of the trees. Still hard to believe that somebody would put chairs up in the trees, you know? Jeez. I wonder who could have done such a thing. That's craziness. Anyway, I'm gonna get my stuff together, go run to the store, make a beer run, then enjoy the rest of the day, eh? Okay, so it's about 5:30 in the evening. It's been a warm day today. Haven't really done much, or as much as I would like to have done today. I've just been kind of hanging around the campsite, been playing some cards, drinking some beers, just kind of chillaxing. But right now it's dinner time, and I wanted to show you what we've got going for dinner here. These are all really good. Over here we got the bacon fried pickles. They're just bacon with dill pickles in between, and these are shotgun shells. These are manicotti shells wrapped with bacon with sausage and cheddar and cream cheese inside, with a Speedy special rub on the outside, and they're oh so good. Well, it's a nice night for a nice little campfire we got going over here. Yeah! Nice. Outstanding. That was beautiful, Speedy. Well, I gotta grab my beer.
Cheers.
Here we go. I can get us both in here.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That was a Pepsi. It wasn't fire. That wasn't gasoline or nothing.
No.
See, Pepsi.
It's
Pepsi.
It's Pepsi. Sure. At one time, it was a Pepsi.
If you believe me, I got some land to sell you in Florida.
Okay, Speedy's selling land in Florida. Dirt cheap. Contact him at never mind.
Well, you know.
Cheers.